Good morning, student. This is your computer teacher Nagendra Kumar. I hope you all are fine at your home. In this video, I am going to start your new chapter using library classes. In this, I am going to explain an important topic of class 10, that is wrapper class and method of wrapper classes. But let's start with Java library class. Library class in Java. Java includes predefined classes in the form of packages as the part of installation, which provides effective support to the programmers in developing their program logic. These classes are called library classes. Java offers many packages through its libraries. For example, the first example of Java package is java.io. It contains classes for input-output function. Java.lang lang contain classes related to character and string manipulation. Java language function, Java language package gives us the facility to manipulate the character and string. Java.awa package contain classes to implement graphical user interface GUI. Java util package that concerns that contain utility classes to implement data structure. Java applet contain classes for implementing applets. Java.net contain classes for supporting network operation, and Java.math contain classes for mathematical operation. All the library package gives us the many classes. These packages provided us thousands of classes. Within the classes, thousands of methods are there. To use the function of this classes, we have to import this package in our program. The keyword import is used to include a package in a Java program. Now, our next important topic is wrapper classes in Java. The wrapper class is a class that contain primitive data type. Wrapper class as part of Java standard library java.lang, and this converts primitive data type in object. In other words, a wrapper class is a class that wrap a value of primitive type in object. Wrapper class gives us the facility to convert primitive data types in an object. Some example of wrapper classes are: the primitive data type is char and its wrapper class is character, starting with a capital letter character. The primitive data types are all in lowercase letter, and the wrapper class names first letter is always start with the capital. Here, for the byte, the wrapper class is byte, by B is capital. For short, it is short. For int, it is integer, I is capital. For long, it is long. Float, float. In this way, for each primitive type, we have the wrapper class, but the first letter is start with capital letter. Now, creation of object using wrapper class. We can create an object from wrapper class as follows. Double is the wrapper class because D is capital. Here double B is the object of double class. Double B is equal to new double 20.4. Here B is initialized by 25.4. Similarly, int A is equal to 5. Int A is equal to 5. Here we have assigned 5 in variable A, but I have creating a object integer I is equal to new integer 5 using wrapper class integer. Here both the A and I have the same value. A and I have the same value 5, but I is an object while A is a simple value. each wrapper class comes with its constructor method. That one way used to create object of the wrapper class. The syntax is class, then the object name is equal to new class name, then values. To create an object of integer wrapper class, we can write integer, then ob1 is equal to new integer 13. Here ob1 is the object of integer wrapper class, and ob1, the value of ob1 is equal to 13. Similarly, long ob1 is equal to new long 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here ab1 is the object of the long wrapper class, and its value is 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So ob1 and ob2 are the object of class integer or long, not a primitive type variable. Now let's solve a question on this topic. Give the output of following code. Integer ob1, integer wrapper class, and its object is ob1, and we have initialized new integer is equal to 4. Integer ob2 is equal to new integer 6. Now int val is equal to new variable. I have taken new variable val is equal to ob1 plus ob2. Then we have to print system.out.println val. It prints the value of val. What is the output of this program? When we execute this program, Java produce error in the statement int val is equal to ob1 plus ob2. Because ob1 and ob2 are the integer type objects, not the primitive value. So operator plus cannot be used with the integer object. So the solution of the problem is that we replace the statement int val is equal to ob1 dot int value plus ob2 dot int value. Now the int value method convert the value of ob1 to its primitive value. Okay, then the addition is possible and the output is 6. So that's all for today, students. In next classes I will discuss the method of wrapper class. So stay at home, stay